Your home section on GameClass is the space that stores everything that you have uploaded or created on GameClass. As you can see, we have all of your lessons you've created at the top. We have any courses you've created, any projects you've created, even any projects you've participated or submitted something in. We have any of the playlists you've created, and anything that you've marked as a favorite using this button is in your home section. This is everything that only you see. This is your private section of the GameClass dashboard. Now in your home section, it's really easy to use the three dots to delete anything from your home section. Now this will delete it from the entire platform, and once something is deleted, GameClass cannot get it back. So we always will give you a warning, but make sure that you don't erase something by accident that you want to keep. And it's in this section that you can always return to edit or re-edit anything you've built. Lessons, you have an edit video button right here. If you click on this, you can go back and you can re-edit, fix, enhance anything that you've ever created on GameClass. So maybe get feedback from students that they like certain things and don't like others. The good news is, because we store everything for you, you can always go back to your home section and make changes or enhance any of your content. The home section is also where you can really quickly add, using the three-dot menu, you can add any of your content to one of your classrooms. So if you've created a private classroom on GameClass, all you have to do is click this button, and you can add any of your lessons, any of your projects, anything that you've saved as a favorite directly into your classroom. You can also quickly make sure that things are public or private. You'll see this little eyeball, which will show you if things are visible or hidden. Right now this is hidden, meaning only you can see this or anyone who you send the link to. If you were to click on this and the eyeball is open, this is now going to be publicly viewable in the Lessons public library. Same thing goes for projects. If you were to have an open eye, it will be visible in projects. So again, home is your section. All of your content stored for you forever. Keep in mind, we also have quick buttons so you can upload new gameplay clips, your own gameplay. Quickly make a screen recording where you're in the video game. So if you want to add yourself to any of the content you've created, hit screen and webcam and you can put yourself in the video game, and then you can teach being in the video game. Screen and audio, same thing, except for this time just with the voiceover. And then use template is a quick button to get you over to templates. And lastly, student project, to create a student project. You do have a filter button over here. This allows you to sort all of the content in your home section by any one of these filters right here.